Hey guys, I'm about to take off the spring retainers that came on the stock traxxas rustler 4x4 VXL spring retainers. Take those off and put the proper replacement ones on. So yeah guys, let's get this done. Let's get this done. Let's get this done. Plastic is my least favorite friend. Especially when you have to open crap. Got one of those out. And then got another one out. Let's frickin' go. Yeah. Hopefully it doesn't turn off. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, boys. Oh my lady. Oh, better yet. You know what I noticed? There's a little itty bitty screw with this. That I will put the itty bitty screws in to where the spring retainers won't come out. So yeah guys, I'm gonna get the tools to do that. But this more like gonna be a 2-part video. So yeah guys. Ooh, yeah. Hey, this is gonna be good. This will be good. Will be good here. So yeah, it'll be almost. I just only have to get the screws put in, and then once I get that, then I will make another video. So yeah guys.